Today our lesson is CSS. Why we use CSS? In a web page, to be it creative and attractive, we need to add styles. For adding styles easily and convenient way, we use CSS. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Why CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. It is better to look at what are the advantages of CSS. In style defined in the header can be used within the same HTML page more than once. It will be easier to maintain consistency. Upgrade will be easier. File size will be lower and code duplication will be reduced. So these and it is cleaner and unclustered code results. There are three ways in writing CSS: inline style, CSS style, and external style sheet. So let's look at the first, inline style. In HTML file, inside the header tag, we will include the style. Here you can see header style equal color blue. So this way you can enter the inline styles. You can another example is p style. Here we are declaring the paragraph style. Color is red and its margin should be left, but it is just HTML, and so although it is add styles, do not use it because we have more improved methods. This is the CSS style. Number 2, it is the CSS style. What you do here, the styles right within the header tag. In HTML page, between the header tag, you need to open tag style, and in between, it is needed to enter the styles. In CSS, there are in CSS syntax has three main parts: selector, property, value. What is the selector here? The selector is what you are going to change. It can be a header, or it can be a paragraph, or the thing you are going to change is a selector. Then property, what property you are going to change and what should be the value. Example P, color blue. It means select all my paragraph and color it blue. Now, let's do it practically. What you have to do is you have to create an HTML file and save it with .html inside the style sheet. Yes, inside the style tag as I shown here, you can specify how the header should be. H1 header, open curly brackets, color navy, margin left 20 pixels. Also, there's another style is given as the example, body, its background color and it should be light blue. So that is the style I have specified in the internal style sheet. What is done here? We have specified the style inside the style sheet in the style tag. Head within the header tag, we are open style tag and we are going to type the styles that is done here, and you can save this as .html file. When you open it, it is open in web browser. This is the output shown. Here is the output shown. Here is the output. This is a heading. So it is shown in navy blue and it's shown in the margin left. And the background is light blue. See, in the body, what we have specified, we have reused this H1 style inside the body. This is a heading. So it is done according to the specified style in the style sheet. And P1 is a paragraph. We have not specified a style for P paragraph, so it is shown as default. The important concept in CSS external style sheet. Here what we are going to do, the CSS style is separately saved as a style.css and we are link it with our HTML file. Here what we have done, I'll show it. Let's see. The files I have done. This is the output what I was expected. That